Welcome to the ScaraBeads channel, my dear craftswomen. I am Galina Cheremisina, and today we are going to talk with you about such an interesting material like jewelry cable. Usually, it is sold on spools or bobbins by couple of meters. It could be of different size and colors. Jewelry cable is something in between of file line and fisher line. Unlike the fisher line, free cable parts look beautiful in the jewelry, make it more delicate. For example, you can hang on cable a small elegant pendant. As well, beads strung on the cable look accurate. Jewelry cable is the material with memory. It requires careful handling either during the production or storing the jewelries. If unwanted curve appears, it can be smoothed out by passing couple of times with force across the cable. If a kink appears on the cable, you won't be able to smooth it out. The screwed up part of the jewelry cable is needed to be cut off. However, with jewelry cable you can create interesting, light and open work jewelries with freely sliding beads, decorative loops or naughty curls. Let's make earrings named AVA-Amos with a loop from the jewelry cable. Novel combination of two non-standard shade beads is used here. 3-hole V-shaped bead AVA and 2-hole drops Amos Puca. All these beads in various colors you will find in our shop ScaraBeads.com. Cut off around 10 cm of the jewelry cable, string and put in the middle. AVA bead through the upper hole. Seed bead size 15. Seed bead allows to fix the beads on the wire, otherwise they will not be stable. String Amos Puca bead through the upper hole. Then seed bead and pass carefully through the second left upper AVA bead hole. Accurately pull the cable, preventing the kinks. Grab the end of the cable together, form symmetrical loop and string calotte on both ends. Make sure that calotte hole is in the middle of the band, then attach suitable crimp. Verify shape and size of the wired loop. Move calotte lower. Squash the crimp with flat nose pliers on the required place of the cable. Cut off the extra ends as close as possible to the crimp. Hide the crimp inside the calotte and close it. Now we are going to form a hook. Bend it into the ring with chain nose pliers and close after you attach the earring hook. This pendant should be very freely fit on the hook. With this step we completed our earrings. Try to do them yourself and of course try to create your own jewelries with a jewelry cable. Goodbye and see you soon again on our channel.